Hello guys, how are you? It's very good to see you again. My name is Mohammed.A and I'm going to teach you today what is the difference between other and another. Now, ايش الفرق بين other and another? We use other and another in order to ask for something more. Another paper, ورقة أخرى. Other papers, أوراق أخرى. Now, when I say another, I mean singular. When I say other, I mean plural. Another paper, another ring, another watch, another man, another woman, another cup. I need another cup of tea. I need other papers. I need other people. Other people means I need more than one other. So we use another for singular and other for plural. نستخدم كلمة other للجمع وكلمة another we use it للمفرد. So thank you very much. We have some examples. معنا أمثلة الآن بتكون موجودة. Please read them well. اقرأهم بعناية. And write in the comments write your own examples. أتمنى من الجميع يتابعوا الحلقة يكتبوا لي تعليقاتهم عن طريق كتابة أمثلة متعلقة في الدرس هذا. Thank you very much. See you next time. Hello guys, how are you today? How can we use these words? Other, another. What is the proper use for them? Example for both words. Other people, other cars, another person, another car. So, as you can see, we used other for plural while we use another for singular. Can you write some examples by yourself in the comments? See you next video. Please like and subscribe.